welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious Mexican rice with veggies that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Mexican rice, these are the ingredients. Chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon. 2 garlic cloves. 2 cups of rice. And of course, 1 cup of mixed veggies. This is everything you need. So let's get started.
Let me tell you, beautiful family, I love adding garlic to my rice, and this Spanish rice really comes out so delicious and amazing that I am sure that once you make it, you're going to love it too. Of course, remember, when you bake and you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. I have 2 garlic cloves that I'm going to dice really good, making sure that I really obtain all those amazing flavors of the garlic into my rice. Let me tell you, this white rice with veggies goes with any type of meat. Meat, fish, shrimp, carne asada, you name it. Well, here, when the garlic is nice and diced, then I am ready to continue showing you all the ingredients we're going to use. Very easy to prepare. I am using the rice jasmine. That's the type of rice I am using. And here, let me show you. I have 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Of course, you could add regular salt. I have 2 garlic cloves diced, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of mixed veggies, and 2 cups of the jasmine rice. And now, of course, let's go to the stove. On the stove, I'm going to add first the 2 tablespoons of butter. I really want to coat and dissolve the butter. I want to coat the pan right on the bottom so that rice doesn't stick. I really want the butter to dissolve before I add the rice. Once the butter has dissolved, I am going to add the rice, mix it, coat it really good with the butter. And once it's nice and coated, I am going to add the diced garlic. Look at this. We're going to add it. We're going to incorporate everything really good, making sure that the rice is coated with the butter and the garlic. Once you start smelling the aroma of the garlic, now is the time, okay? Once you start smelling the garlic and the garlic is releasing all the flavor into the rice, you're ready to continue. I am going to mix very well. I'm going to add the chicken bouillon. I'm going to add the veggies. And of course, we're going to incorporate everything in here. You really want the chicken bouillon to really get incorporated with everything on the pan. And now I am ready to add the water. For every cup of rice, we're going to use 2 cups of water. For all the beginners, everybody that wants to learn how to make the Spanish rice, very easy. I have it in high heat. Once it starts making those little bubbles, I am ready to cover, lower the heat to medium low, and cooking it for about 15 minutes until the water has absorbed completely. Let me tell you, 15 minutes and this rice is gonna be so delicious that you're going to really love this Mexican white rice with veggies. After the 15 minutes, let me show you. Let me show you. My home smells delicious. The garlic really penetrated into the rice and the veggies, and it's nice and fluffy, and that's exactly how you want it. Well, now I am ready to start Preparing the rice for the presentation plate. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at all those beautiful colors. All those veggies throughout the rice. Yes, this just smells delicious. And now I am ready to prepare the plate for the presentation. Look at this. This is how I like to plate it, so that you see it and you, just by looking at it, you say, I want to make this amazing Spanish rice. And if you got to this part of the video, you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Look how delicious this white rice with veggies look. I am ready to enjoy. And how am I going to enjoy this amazing rice? I am going to add a little bit of the chili oil right on the top. Of course, the recipe for the chili oil, you already have it on my channel. You have many versions, but there's two. One that is spicy and one that just has so much flavor. You decide which chili oil you want to add to this amazing and delicious, fluffy Mexican white rice with veggies. I'll see you in a bit.
White rice with veggies, Mexican style. Of course, I am going to add a little bit of the chili oil right on the top to enjoy this amazing white rice. Of course, you already have my chili oil on my channel, so if you want to enjoy it like I'm going to enjoy it with this amazing Spanish rice, try it. You're going to love it. Excuse me. So delicious. Let me tell you, I love spicy food. And this chili oil is amazing. With this combination of rice, just perfection made at home. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this delicious white rice with veggies. And of course, with a little bit of the chili oil that you already have on my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.